Tedswoodworking, the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. Dear woodworker, have you ever anteed to build something because you cannot find it retail? Thought of making something custom for a specific need? Struggled to find detailed plans to build your dream project? These are the problems I faced years ago when I started woodworking. And it is the same problems many of my students are still facing today. Now, if you've always dreamed of being able to build whatever you wanted, instead of spending days, months, or years looking for something or spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you, and you crave the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands, then this may be the most important letter you'll ever read. Ted McGrath is a certified master woodworker, trainer, author, and member of AWI. He believes in the core principles of simple in woodworking, using detailed plans for maximum effectiveness for minimal effort. He runs a woodworking technical class and has regularly publishes books and articles on woodworking. Here's the big problem. When I started looking online for plans and buying magazines, here's why I discovered. Most plans I found are complete garbage. Here's why. Plans are not specific enough, they either lack a step or they lack descriptions or measurements. Instructions that leave out vital information, assuming that you are experienced enough to fill in the blanks. Assume you're a master craftsman with access to expensive tools and a large workshop. Directions that are too complex for beginners, and assume you know a great deal about woodworking itself. And in many cases, there is simply not enough detail. One of projects I saw was for a modern wardrobe, but the details on how to put it together were terrible. You have to start guessing at where to attach carriage bolts, etc. Another was that the top backboard is not straight as it has design to it, which was not explained. So I took paper template and drew out and traced on boards best I could for one of my students. These so-called step-by-step plans make woodworking harder than it actually is. Because they don't include cut sheets, so you have to guesstimate materials. Make it look easier than they end up being, as they have missing steps or inaccurate measurements. Include pictures, don't match what they're telling you. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. So I've decided to solve all that. Well, luckily for you, these problems become a blessing in disguise, because I have spent the last 25 plus years to put together the world's most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects with already done for you plans that includes step-by-step blueprints, so you can build stunning, professional woodworking projects easily, quickly, and hassle-free? I call it Tedswoodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects.